Hi, hello guys. I am Naveen Kumar. This article is about the city in Tamil Nadu, Tirupattur in India. Tirupattur is the headquarters of Tirupattur district in southern India and is one of the oldest inhabited places in the state of Tamil Nadu with a history of over 1600 years. The town is known for abundant sandalwood in the surrounding hills. It is located about 89 km southwest of Vellore, 85 km from Hosur, 50 km from Krishnagiri and Tiruvannamalai to the northwest and southeast, 210 km west of Chennai and 125 km east of Bangalore. Tirupattur means a group of 10 villages or small towns. It is surrounded by several villages such as Adiyur and Kodiyur, making Tirupattur a taluk. It has many ancient Vishnu and Shiva temples and water tanks built during the Hoysala dynasty. It is well connected by road and rail to the other important cities of Tamil Nadu such as Vellore, Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore and Tiruvannamalai and to Bangalore in Karnataka. The town is famous in Islamic culture as the resting place of many Islamic saints. As of 2011, the town had a population of 64,125. Tirupattur was a revenue subdivision during the British colonial rule as a part of the Salem district and later as part of Vellore district. The Tirupattur subdivision includes Tirupattur, Natrapalli, Vaniyambadi and Ambur taluks. In 1886, the Tirupattur municipality was constituted as a Grade 3 municipality as per the Government Order Number 194 dated 10/02/1970. It was reclassified as second grade municipality at present as per the Government Order Number 654 dated 01/04/1977. It has been reclassified as a first grade municipality. Tirupattur is known as the sandalwood town due to abundant availability of sandalwood trees in the surrounding hills. It is very close to major hill station of Tamil Nadu, the Helagiri Hills. The town is at an average elevation of 388 meter. The Jawad Hills, a part of the Eastern Ghats, lie another to the east of Tirupattur. The major group of soils found in the town are black or red varieties. Tirupattur town has 56.059 km of roads. Yelagiri is a hill station on the Vaniyambadi-Tirupattur road, midway between Chennai and Bangalore. Located at an altitude of 1050 meters and spread across 30 kilometers, the Yelagiri village is surrounded by rose garden and green valleys. Vainubabu Observatory and Sri Sundara Veera Anjaneyar temple is situated less than a kilometer from bus stand and Tirupattur railway station. The Jawad Hills are located about 35 km from Tirupattur. In the middle of these hills is the Kavlur Observatory, which has several optical and reflective telescopes run and government by the Indian Institute of Astrophysics. As of 15th August 2019, the trifurcation of Vellore district resulted in information of Tirupattur as a new district with Tirupattur town as its headquarters. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.